सारिका स्टडी एकेडमी। तो आज क्लास 7 का सोशल साइंस सेमेस्टर 1 रिवीजन 2 इसके वर्कबुक के सॉल्यूशन देखेंगे। गुजरात बोर्ड। आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन एज रिक्वायर्ड। पेज नंबर 78 में रिवीजन 2 है। उसमें फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट विल बी योर रूल एज एन एमएलए? टू बिकम एन एमएलए I would have to do as following. After the announcement of general election to be held in the state by the election commission, I will have to fill in the application candidates form in the collector office. There I have to produce an evidence that my age is 25 or more. Then I have to give the evidence of my being a voter in the voters list published by the election commission. What work does the government do for the people? The government does the following works for all of us. First, give grain at reasonable rules through cheap gain shop. Second point, provide public transport facility at reasonable price. Third, conduct many programs for the welfare of female and children. Fourth, impart primary education and midday meal. Fifth, render medical services through public medical hospitals. Sixth, conduct sport and other cultural activities. Third question, why is the weather in a desert dry and unbearable? Answer, the land of the desert is sandy. The major part here is dry and barren. There are therefore heat in summer and cold in winter are at their extremes. There is a huge considerable differences between the temperature of day and night. The rain is very scanty in desert. Therefore, the atmosphere in desert is dry and unbearable. Question 4. As the day passes, why does our shadow increase or decrease in size? The earth revolves around its axis from west side to east. As a result, we find the sun moving from east to west, that is in the opposite direction of the moving of the earth. Therefore, we find our shadow big in the morning, small in the noon, and once more big in the evening. Thus, our shadow decreases or increases during the entire day. Question 5. Why did the invader attack India? Our country was in the forefront before foreigners establish their rule. Our country held great importance in industrial and cultural development. Foreigners were greatly impressed by the prosperity of our country. To take away that prosperity, they kept on invading India. During 1000 CE to 1025 CE, Muhammad Ghazni invaded India many times. Timur and Genghis Khan had invaded Delhi and carried out plundering all over. Question 6. How do latitude and longitude help? Give 1 point for each. Latitudes. Latitudes show the distance of north or south from the equator, from the latitude of any place. We can clearly know how far is the place to the north or to the south from the equator. Longitude. First point, we can know the local time of that particular place from the longitude of any place. ठीक है, तो इसी के साथ इस वीडियो में रिवीजन 2 यहीं पे खत्म होता है। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नेक्स्ट चैप्टर के साथ मिलते हैं। तब तक के लिए टेक केयर, बाय। और अपना ख्याल रखिए। टेक केयर, बाय।